From August 15, pensioners across the UK could be facing a shocking new restriction: daily cash withdrawal limits that could change the way you access your own money. A leading UK banking expert has issued an urgent warning, saying this move could leave many older customers struggling to pay for essentials, especially those who rely on cash for day-to-day expenses. Banks claim the change is about preventing fraud and modernizing payment systems, but critics argue it's another step toward a cashless society that could leave the most vulnerable behind. Subscribe now to stay ahead of these banking changes and protect your money. As we explore the implications of these new cash withdrawal limits, it's vital to understand the broader landscape of banking in the UK. The banking sector has been evolving, with a noticeable shift towards digital transactions. While this shift may seem convenient for some, it raises significant questions for others, particularly our older population who may not be as comfortable with technology. Starting August 15, banks across the UK will implement restrictions on how much cash you can withdraw daily. This change has been framed as a response to increasing concerns about money laundering and fraud, but it raises another critical issue: accessibility. For many pensioners, cash is not just a preference, it's a necessity. Withdrawing cash allows them to manage their budgets more effectively and maintain their independence. However, with these new limits in place, many could find themselves in a precarious situation, struggling to access their funds when they need them most. Imagine needing to pay for a home repair or a medical bill, only to discover that you can only withdraw a limited amount of cash each day. This could lead to delays in payments, increased stress, and, ultimately, a negative impact on your quality of life. It's a scenario that's all too real for many, and it's essential to be prepared. So, how can you navigate these changes effectively? One option is to consider setting up a budget that allows you to manage your cash withdrawals more strategically. By planning ahead, you can ensure that you have enough cash on hand for your essential expenses while minimizing the inconvenience of daily withdrawal limits. But budgeting isn't the only solution. It's also crucial to be aware of alternative payment methods that may be available to you. With the rise of contactless payments and digital banking, many pensioners are finding ways to adapt to this new landscape, but it does require a shift in mindset and sometimes a bit of learning. The issue of access is further complicated by the fact that not all banks are created equal. Some institutions may offer more favorable withdrawal limits than others, and it's worth investigating your options. Are you with a bank that prioritizes the needs of its older customers? If not, it might be time to consider switching to a bank that offers better services tailored to your needs. Researching different banks and their policies can empower you to make a more informed decision about where to keep your money. Moreover, it's essential to stay informed about your rights as a consumer. The Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, has guidelines in place to protect consumers, and understanding these can help you advocate for yourself. If you feel that your bank is not providing adequate services or is making it difficult for you to access your funds, don't hesitate to reach out to them or even consider escalating the issue. Your financial well-being is paramount, and knowing your rights is a powerful tool in ensuring that you're treated fairly. As we approach the implementation date of these new withdrawal limits, it's also worth considering the potential long-term consequences. If cash becomes increasingly difficult to access, what does that mean for our economy as a whole? Many small businesses rely on cash transactions, and if their customers are unable to withdraw cash, it could lead to a significant decline in sales. This situation could further exacerbate the issues facing local economies, particularly in rural areas where banking services are already limited. It's crucial for policymakers to take these concerns into account. While the intentions behind these new regulations may be grounded in combating fraud, the potential fallout for pensioners and small businesses cannot be ignored. Public discourse around these issues is vital, and as concerned citizens, we must advocate for policies that consider the needs of all demographics, especially those who are most vulnerable. So, what can you do right now? Start by having conversations with your peers, family, and community. Share your concerns and discuss strategies for coping with the changes. Raising awareness about these issues can help foster a supportive community where everyone feels empowered to address their financial needs. Consider joining local groups or forums where you can discuss these topics openly and learn from others' experiences. Additionally, don't shy away from speaking to your bank about these changes. Many banks offer financial advice and support services that can help you navigate this new landscape. They may even have resources specifically designed for pensioners to ensure that their needs are met. Remember, you're not alone in this, many others are facing the same challenges, and together, you can find solutions that work. As we wrap up this discussion, it's essential to remember that knowledge is power. Staying informed about these changes can help you make better financial decisions and prepare for the future. By understanding the implications of the new daily cash withdrawal limits and being proactive about your financial planning, you can mitigate the potential impacts on your life. In conclusion, as the August 15 deadline approaches, take the time to assess your financial situation, explore your options, and engage with your community. These changes may seem daunting, but with the right information and resources, you can navigate them successfully. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights and updates on financial news that matters to you. Together, we can help ensure that our voices are heard and our needs are met in this ever-changing financial landscape. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for more valuable content.